Introducing the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System, the pinnacle of versatility and power in your kitchen. With its XL Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor, this kitchen system is Ninja's most robust offering, eliminating the need for extra processor bowls. Experience enhanced food processing, unbeatable blending power, and precise control over your culinary creations. Here are the key features of Ninja Ss401 Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System. Enhanced food processing, effortless prep. Say goodbye to tedious food prep with the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System. The enhanced processing lid with a convenient feed chute, along with select cut processing discs, ensures precise shredding, slicing, and grating. From shredded carrots to coleslaw, grated cheese, and more, food prep becomes a breeze. Never stall again. Unstoppable performance. Powered by a 16 peak watt power-dense motor and SmartOrc technology, this crushing blender never stalls, delivering unstoppable performance. It effortlessly powers through even the toughest ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. XL Smoothie Bowl Maker. Blend with precision. The XL Smoothie Bowl Maker comes equipped with a built-in tamper designed to power through frozen ingredients using less liquid. Perfect for creating smoothie bowls or smooth nut butter from nuts and seeds. Experience precision blending like never before. Nutrient Extraction Cup. Unlock nutrition. The Nutrient Extraction Cup is your gateway to healthy living. Designed to deliver a better ingredient breakdown, it extracts a drink packed with vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Variable speed control. Total control at your fingertips. Take control of every blend with variable speed control. Adjust the speed and texture to suit your preferences and the specific ingredients, ensuring each blend is tailored to perfection. 7 programs. Preset convenience. The Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System comes with 7 preset auto-ic programs, offering one-touch convenience for smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, food processing, and dough. Effortless blending has never been easier. Smoother blending. The ultimate blade assembly. Experience smoother blending with the Hybrid Edge blade assembly. It ensures better breakdown of frozen whole fruits and veggies, nuts, seeds, and ice, resulting in consistently smoother blends. Dishwasher-safe parts. Easy cleanup. Cleaning up after your culinary adventures is a breeze with dishwasher-safe containers, lids, discs, and blade assemblies. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance and spend more time doing what you love. Complete package. Unleash your culinary creativity. The Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System includes everything you need to create culinary masterpieces. 16 peak watt motor base, 72 Oz. Power blender and processor pitcher. Feed chute lid with 2-part pusher, 18 Oz. XL Smoothie Bowl Maker with built-in tamper and storage lid, 24 Oz. Nutrient Extraction Cup. Total crushing and chopping blade assembly. Reversible slicing. Shredding disc. Grating disc. Dough blade. Hybrid Edge blades assembly and 20 recipe inspiration guide. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System is a game changer in your kitchen. With its powerful motor, precise controls, and versatile attachments, it empowers you to create a wide array of culinary delights with ease. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, processing ingredients, or extracting nutrients, this kitchen system has got you covered. Experience the pinnacle of blending power and unleash your culinary creativity with the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System.